Hello, we've still got our license special offer introductory package running until the end of December. Are you still thinking of doing something different and teaching reflexology? You obviously practice regularly and realise how much your clients enjoy receiving a treatment. So what better option would be to share that knowledge and experience with some of your clients or some people out there that really want to know more about helping family and friends. This is a weekend package which we find so beneficial, and we've now taught over 20 introductory reflexology courses, and we find many people go on to study further, or many people just love the wonderful benefits that they experience. So this offer of 2,500 plus GST is still available to the end of December. So if you're still interested, we don't want you to miss out. Please get in touch with Holly and I, and we'll tell you more. Thank you.